Okay, just showing off this Rinzler modified disc. Has a clear external ring and an orange ring in the inside. Let me go ahead and show you. Orange inner ring, white outer ring. This one's also armed with sound, so I'll flip this one over. Go ahead and flip it. So the cool thing about this, you can grab the disc. You can see what it looks like. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like at night. Alright, so we got the inner ring, then we got the outer ring. So, very thin blade, so you can see what it looks like. Try to model it exactly identical to the Rinzler disc. Alright, well I think this one's ready to go too.